Okay, traders, this is just after NFP, right? As you know that in the first videos that I made, I I was trading GBP NZD. This is the trade that I took, GBP NZD, on a $30 account, guys. It's a $30 account. This is GBP NZD. As you can see, it all went well. It's about to hit take profit here. It's about to hit take profit here. Can you see? It's about to hit take profit. And today it was NFP. GBP NZD spiked to my direction. If you know GBP, it can be influenced by NFP as well. So this is it, guys. I made a good pips for this one. I'm going to close. You might be wondering why I've entered this 0.01 sell. Reason being, when I was analyzing, I told you that the market is in a downtrend, but what I'm trading now is a retracement. Because the market is in a downtrend. How do I see the direction of the market using the Forex emergency help? Let me show you once again, as I always show you. You open two charts windows, and then you put the same pair on both of them. One must be on H4 and one must be on H1. So in H4, you focus on H4 first. Once you see this big arrow on H4, then it is given that it appears also on H1. Then what you are going to do is you are going to trade any down arrow that you see, any down little arrow that you see going down, or else whatever analysis you do, you make sure that you trade going down. Because if you see in H1, after this small arrow here, we got this white arrow in H4. You won't have this small arrow in H4. You won't have this white arrow in H1. This white arrow is in H4, and then this small arrow is in H1. So that is how you see it. It's a downtrend. Now somebody might think the market is now in an uptrend if you are using H1, because can you see this is a big arrow? Even though this is a big arrow, it is not yet an uptrend, but you can trade it because there is this arrow here. Even if this wasn't here, this white arrow, you could take it going up. It's a retracement, guys. You are trading a retracement. The market will continue in its original direction, which is down here. And also here, if you can see, when we draw our trend line, can you see it is going down? It seems like it is breaking above. This trend line. Can you see? It seems like it is breaking above this trend line, but it is not breaking above. Even though it may break above, there is this zone here, which is a demand zone. There is this zone here. I'm sorry, it's a supply zone. There is this zone here. If it breaks, it will break only to come to this supply, and then from this supply it will continue down. Why is that so? Because, guys, remember, the market cannot just turn. If it turns, it will give you a signal. That is why we are using these indicators. It will give you a signal. It will give you a clue that now I am turning. For instance, as I was saying, this was NFP. Those of you who trade NFP, you know NFP can be rejective. What do I mean? If it moves in an uptrend, maybe for the first hour from the time of the news, it will move opposite in the next hour. But I will make another video to see if it does that. Now, can you see? This is the trend line here. Can you see? It seems like it is breaking, but we are 10 minutes left before the close of this candle. The another candle, the next candle which will appear in H1, it might go down, so if it goes down, it will certify this break here to be a false break. So guys, this is just how I'm killing the GBP NZD. In the first video, I was only trading the GBP NZD, but if you come to Euro JPY also, I had taken a sell on Euro JPY. I had taken a sell here, and now the market is rejecting. I'm not going to exit this sell because the market is rejecting. Why? Simply because when I was analyzing, I noticed that GBP JPY is in a downtrend. The market might come up here and then push down here, because my take profit should be in this target. Here, in this demand zone. You know, this strategy, I call it a zone to zone, guys. So you need to understand supply and demand. You need to understand the zone to zone strategy. And also, I took GBP here. GBP, it was in a good profit also. Reason why I took 0.01 with this GBP, at that time I was running in a drawdown with GBP NZD, so there was not enough equity to put more trades. As I'm telling you, this was a $30 account, but now we are running about $42 in profit. It gives me an equity of $74. So guys, I don't know what I'm targeting on this account, but whatever the market gives me. Reason why it came up here, this market, is because of NFP. And those of you who have been following my channel, you know I don't trade NFP. I don't care about NFP. I only trade my system. I only trade the signals of my system. You can see here in this GBP JPY, I have this arrow in H4 signaling a downtrend. I have this arrow also on H1 signaling a downtrend. And as you can see, from this arrow it went all the way down, and from this arrow it went all the way down. Now the reason why it is going up is because of NFP. But as I told you, see, this channel was broken. As I told you guys, let us draw a trend line here. Can you see this is a trend line? So if this market pushes up, it will push up just until to this trend line, and then continue down to this zone here. This is the major zone that I am targeting the take profit. This is the major zone where the market will go. Don't mind my take profit being here. I know what I'm doing, because I will not exit simply because the market gets to here. I need to get a signal that says out for me to go out. So guys, this is how I took the GBP JPY. But the GBP JPY, I was, okay, I won't teach you my entry strategies. I won't teach you how I trade, because that is none of your business. I'm just showing you the way the market goes. Okay, gold, I took gold, right? I took gold, and I love gold a lot. GBP and gold, it's my go-to base. Can you see we are in H4 here? This is a beautiful sell on gold, guys. This is a beautiful sell on gold. Gold can be unpredictable, but we don't care. We just trade. We don't care. Okay, I'm taking this signal. I'm gonna put more trades with this gold. Can you see in H4 I have that big sell arrow there, and also in H1 I have this big sell arrow, but this big sell arrow came as a result of this mid sell arrow, so it's still continuing with the direction. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put more trades. When you trade, guys, the primary goal, you must seek to maintain your account, and then the secondary one will be making money. Reason why I put a small lot size for starters, it's because there is nothing guaranteed in the market. I'm gonna put more trades here. I can go 0.5 or 0.10, just one 0.10, simply because I know the market is coming to this region here. is coming to this region here. Let me love you. God bless you. Shalom.